Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So today we will learn about the CapCut application. Let's discover what we learned today. So this video will show you how you can find the privacy policy of the CapCut in 2024. What is privacy policy actually? So privacy policy is a digital document that you can access just to get the information about how the way the applications work. So here, if you want to find the privacy policy of the CapCut, you just need to open the application itself. Now, please just take a look on these button features. There will be a lot of sections here, right? And you just need to make sure that you are stay in the edit section, and then you just need to go click this straight on the top right side here. Just go tap this icon, and now you just need to scrolling down, and there will be a privacy policy right here. Just go tap it. So basically this privacy policy will be got renewal into several times, so you just need to take a look on this last version of this privacy policy. Now whenever this information is just loaded into your screen, you just need to scroll it down and read every point of this privacy policy to understand how the way the application is being updated and work. So that's for today's tutorial, guys. If you still have some questions, just drop into the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe into this channel to find more tutorial about the application on your phone. That's for today's tutorial. Let's meet again into other tutorial.